Hey y'all, my name is Julie, and on Thrifter you will find that I absolutely love to go thrift shopping, especially for home decor. I thrift shop for almost anything though. I share all things thrift here on my channel. I love to go thrifting for my home, my family, and my friends. I am not a reseller. I thrift at a lot of Goodwills, yard sales, Facebook Marketplace, antique stores, estate sales, and so many other thrift shops. I truly believe that you can make your home beautiful on a thrifty budget. I will take you on so many Thrift with Me shopping trips, share my thrift hauls, and almost always share how I use my thrift finds in my home. I post every Friday and sometimes on Tuesday. Occasionally I do thrift flips and decorating videos too. I hope that you enjoy. I hope you walk away from my channel feeling inspired to shop secondhand. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here so you don't miss out. Now let's get to thrifting in today's video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video, we are going to finish thrifting the Joseph House thrift store. I posted a video last Friday where we thrifted the first half of this store, and in that video, I showed you what I purchased and how I styled it in my home, and I will be doing the same thing today. As we finish out this thrift shopping trip, I will show you as I go along what I purchased and how I styled it in my home. So let's get busy thrifting this Joseph House thrift store and see what else I come across. I do want to share with y'all that I've been getting a lot of requests for my old, like I used to do in my old videos, decorate with me videos. Y'all, the algorithm just really does not like when I do those videos separately. But because I know that y'all are really wanting those, I'm going to throw a little decorate with me kind of in the middle of this video. I'm going to show y'all what I purchased, and then we're going to do a short little decorate with me of some open shelving. Okay, so in my opinion, this was the find of the day, and I couldn't believe it was just sitting on that table. I like come around the corner and it was sitting there, and I was like, I cannot believe it. And y'all, I know some of y'all are like, really? I know she does not get that excited about that kind of stuff. It's old, it's chippy, it's crusty. I will never eat off of it, but y'all, and I have a smaller one like this. It was only $3.99. And look at this beautiful plate. Now, I don't know if you're familiar, but just old country decor looks like this. I mean, hanging on the wall, hanging out of a basket, just sitting on the counter. This type of stuff is just lovely to me. I love it so much. I'm trying to hide my face so that the camera will not focus on me. It will focus on the goods. But look at the edges. Isn't that just beautiful, y'all? I love it. Let me try to get it a little bit closer where you can see the edge better. So perfect, y'all. Here's the back. There's the price tag if it'll focus for you, $3.99. But y'all, I was so excited when I saw this. To me, it's perfect. I know to some of y'all, you're like, really? You get excited over an ugly, dirty plate? But I love it because this plate's got some stories. I know it does. I know it does. And I just love it so, so much. Look at the little, just look. Oops, sorry, I'm bumping y'all. Hey. I love this so much. So I was super excited to find this piece, and I plan on putting a hanger on this and hanging it over here kind of where my other one is. And I'll show y'all where I put this one also. Okay, this piece right here I thrifted at Goodwill a little while back, and it is green, but it's not the color of green that I wanted. So I just gave it a little touch of my favorite green, and then I'm just going to display it here on the top shelf. There is that plate that I just bought, and then here is a picture that I got at Hobby Lobby, I believe, for 75% off, and some peonies that I got at Amazon. This little piece here is from Goodwill as well. And I'm going to just go ahead and style this on the shelf. And then I will just show y'all where the rest of the items are from on the screen, so you can just watch this decorate with me portion of the video to music. I was trying here to show y'all how beautiful. That's one of the pairs that I thrifted and showed y'all in Friday's video, so don't forget to go check that out. But look how pretty that blue looks with the green. I am loving it, and I hope that y'all enjoyed the decorating part of the video. I haven't done a whole lot of those videos lately just because I do show my items styled all throughout the video. I've been doing that now for probably a year and a half or 2 years. I can't remember. I started that a while back. But if y'all enjoy little small decorating things like that in the middle of some of the shop with me videos, let me know. I'm trying to just really listen to what y'all enjoy, so I do not mind sharing that with y'all to hopefully give you some inspiration and show you what exactly you can do with thrifted decor. And the reason I put where I got each item is to just show you that not all of that decor comes from one place or one shopping trip. It is things that I have just accumulated over time. So just don't give up. A lot of y'all say, when I go to my thrift stores, they're just not good like yours. They don't have good things. Well, mine don't either all of the time. Sometimes I only walk away with one or a few items. So just keep thrifting and just really thrift things that you love. And if you love it and you pick out your style of decor every time you go thrifting, it's going to eventually all come together. Y'all, was this a vintage rolling pin? Did I just leave something amazing? I love to collect wooden rolling pins, and I have a whole collection on top of my refrigerator, and I have a whole empty basket up there. A subscriber sent me a box full of things, and I have filled up one of those baskets that she has sent me with rolling pins, and I put another basket on the other end, so hopefully I can start filling that one up. So if you know, did I just leave a vintage rolling pin behind, y'all? I'm looking at it now as I edit, and I'm going, really? Why did you not get that? It was beautiful. Okay, y'all, do any of you decorate with these? I believe they're called shoe forms. You can correct me if I'm wrong. I have seen them decorated beautifully in, Danielle is her name, and her channel name here on YouTube is Homemade Vintage. Well, she has used those and decorated with them beautifully. I will put her channel link down in the description box just because anytime I mention a channel, I'm going to add their channel link down in my description box. For one, it's easy for you to find them and go check out their channel. And two, it's just the right thing to do. If you mention another channel, you should always put their channel link down in your description box. That's just how I feel about that. But y'all, then I passed up that henna hat. I was so excited, and I don't know if I just got distracted or what, because Kelsey, I think, had called me at that point and said, Mom, I'm needing such and such for little Brigham's room. Go see if they have any. And so I think I just got a little sidetracked there. But then I come across some blankets, and y'all, I found me another blue blanket to add to my home decor, and I was so excited to add an inexpensive blue touch to my furniture. Okay, y'all, so now that I am incorporating blue into my decor, I found this little throw. I was looking for a couple of throws to add like on my couch or out of a basket or something like that. And just a tip for you, that's an easy way to incorporate different little colors into your home decor without making a huge commitment, like a piece of furniture or painting something, then you may hate it 2 weeks later. So start with like pillow covers, little plants holders, vases, different things like that. And if you really love it, then go a little bit bigger, and then go a little bit bigger than that. But I like to incorporate small pieces of new colors that I maybe didn't love before, but I'm loving now and want to make sure that I love. So I got this little throw right here. It's really thin, so it'll be great for like spring and summer. It's pretty big. It's folded in half. So there's that, and there's this, and it's got like this little fringe here on the end. And I think that it is really pretty. And I think it will be a way for me to add some more blue into my decor to make sure that I really like it before I, keep buying it and then end up not loving it again. I'm trying to find the price tag for y'all. It is never where it needs to be. Hold on. Oh, here it is. Right where it's supposed to be. Okay, so this blanket was only $3.99. So not bad for a piece of decor that I'm not real sure about. So if I just don't end up loving the blue, I'm not out a whole lot of money. I can give it to someone else who's loving blue, or I can donate it back. So that's just a little tip for you if you're trying to change your color scheme, but you're not 100% sure. Go to your thrift store and see if you can find some of those colors, and maybe find some things that you can spray paint so you're not out a lot of money. And then if you do end up loving it, then you can start buying and incorporating that color in with more expensive type things. Okay, y'all, that is going to wrap up today's thrift shopping trip to the Joseph House thrift store. Don't forget, if you missed Friday's video, it is the first half to this trip, and I will have it linked down in my description box as well. But anyway, you guys, we hope that y'all have a wonderful week. Don't forget to let me know how you liked the decorating portion in this video, if that's something you would like to see some more of, or you'd just rather not. I'm okay either way. But anyway, you guys, we hope that y'all have a wonderful week. We love y'all, and we will see you Friday with a brand new video.